Hey there, future tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Future Gear Unboxed, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that are reshaping the tech world. Today, we have something truly spectacular, the all-new Vivo X100 Pro. I have to say, Vivo is making serious waves with this one, and I can't wait to dive in. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. Vivo keeps it sleek and classy as always. Inside the box, we've got the Vivo X100 Pro wrapped up like a masterpiece, along with a fast 120W charger, a USB-C cable, a clear protective case, and some essential paperwork. No compromises here. First look, Vivo X100 Pro. And here it is, the Vivo X100 Pro. Wow, just look at this beauty. The back finish is this stunning dark gray texture design that feels both premium and comfortable in the hand. And that massive circular camera module, oh, it screams sophistication. You've got 4 cameras here, all ZEISS tuned, and the branding is subtly placed for a touch of elegance. The Vivo logo at the bottom, simple and classy. Display highlight. Turn it around, and you're greeted by a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120 Hz display refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. The colors? Vibrant and punchy. The brightness? 2800 nits max. Yeah, it's an outdoor viewing beast. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming, this display just doesn't disappoint. Camera features. Now let's talk cameras. Vivo has always been at the forefront of mobile photography, and the X100 Pro takes it to another level. The 50MP main sensor delivers stunning clarity, even in low light. The 12MP ultra-wide lens captures breathtaking landscapes. And the star of the show? The 64MP periscope lens with 100x zoom capability, perfect for those distant shots. Oh, and don't forget the ZEISS magic for true-to-life colors. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Vivo X100 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset paired with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just scrolling, this phone handles it all like a pro. And the software? The latest FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14, keeps everything smooth and intuitive. Battery and charging. Battery life, solid. With a 5200 match battery, you're easily getting a full day of usage. And if you're in a rush, that 120W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes. Talk about speed. So, what's the verdict? The Vivo X100 Pro is a true flagship contender with its jaw-dropping design, industry-leading cameras, powerful performance, and blazing fast charging. At a price of around $899, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a premium smartphone. That's all for today's unboxing and review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Gear Unboxed, and ring the bell icon for more epic tech content. Let me know in the comments what feature of the Vivo X100 Pro impressed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the future of tech.